Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator are two powerful tools widely used in the creative industry. The choice between Photoshop and Illustrator depends on the specific project requirements and desired outcomes. Photoshop excels in photo editing and raster-based image manipulation, while Illustrator is ideal for vector graphics and illustrations. Photoshop is a raster-based program that utilizes pixels to create and manipulate images. This pixel-based architecture makes Photoshop ideal for editing photographs and creating digital paintings. Photoshop is also used for designing web graphics, offering tools for optimizing images for online use. Color correction in Photoshop involves adjusting hue, saturation, and luminance to achieve a desired aesthetic. Layer manipulation allows for non-destructive editing and complex compositing of image elements. Brushes in Photoshop can be used to selectively enhance image details and apply artistic effects. Photoshop functions as a digital darkroom, facilitating the manipulation of real-world images. This software provides tools for adjusting exposure, contrast, and color balance. Similar to traditional darkroom techniques, Photoshop enables sophisticated image editing and enhancement, analogous to the processes used in a physical darkroom. Illustrator is a vector-based design tool. Vector graphics use mathematical paths to create shapes. Vector graphics maintain quality at any scale. Vector graphics in Illustrator allow for infinite resizing without loss of quality. The scalability of vector graphics ensures sharpness and clarity at any size. Illustrator's vector-based system maintains the integrity of the logo's design regardless of scaling. Illustrator is a primary tool for creating logos due to its precision and scalability. Illustrator excels at icon design, providing tools for creating scalable and visually consistent icons. Illustrator is utilized for typography, offering precise control over letter forms and layout. Photoshop excels in image manipulation, texture creation, and applying effects to raster-based graphics. Illustrator is optimized for creating clean lines, precise shapes, and scalable vector artwork. Photoshop is suitable for raster graphics, while Illustrator is ideal for vector graphics, providing scalability without loss of quality. Both programs incorporate layers, brushes, and design tools. The programs are tailored for distinct creative objectives. Each program's toolset is optimized for its specific design goals. Photoshop enables the design of flyers incorporating photographs and complex image manipulations. Image manipulation techniques include layering, masking, and blending modes for creating visually appealing designs. Photoshop's tools facilitate precise control over typography, color palettes, and graphical elements in flyer design. Illustrator is suitable for creating brand identities with logos and text. Illustrator enables the production of clean and scalable designs. Vector-based designs ensure resolution independence for various applications. Professionals often integrate multiple software tools to manage complex projects efficiently. Each tool contributes unique strengths, enhancing overall project workflow and outcomes. Combining tools allows for a streamlined process from initial concept to final product delivery. Understanding the strengths of each design tool enhances designer efficiency. Strategic tool selection optimizes workflow speed and effectiveness. Proficient tool usage contributes to smarter and faster design processes. Raster graphics are composed of a grid of pixels. Each pixel contains color information that determines the appearance of the image. Raster graphics have limited scalability without quality loss due to their pixel-based nature. Vector graphics define shapes using mathematical equations rather than pixel grids. Mathematical definitions enable vector graphics to scale infinitely without loss of resolution or clarity. The use of mathematical paths ensures precise and consistent rendering of shapes at any size. Selecting the appropriate design tool is crucial for achieving optimal results in any project. Project-specific requirements should dictate the choice of design tool. Optimal results are achieved by aligning design tool capabilities with project needs.